Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today we want to teach you the medicinal and spiritual uses of the onion. So what you are seeing on the screen is what you call the onion. It is a very common item. When you go to those people who sell vegetables, you can easily get the onion. So in this particular video, we know that we have different kinds of onion, red onions and white onions and stuff. But for this particular remedy, you can use any kind of the onion and it is going to work for you. All the remedies that I'm going to mention here, if you use the white or the red or any onion that you have, it is going to work for you. So let's start with clogged ears. If you have clogged ears such that it is very difficult for you to hear because there are a lot of dried wax, ear wax in your ears. What you are going to do is that you just cut a very small slice of onion and then you put it inside your ear. The following morning, you are just going to remove the onion from your ear and then those clogged wax is going to be free and then you can easily remove them from your ears for you to be hearing properly. So this is a very simple remedy to do. So please, because you remove the onion the following day, what you are going to do is that you are not going to blend the onion before you put it inside your ears, or you are not going to make it very short so that removing it the following day becomes very difficult. So for this one, you are going to do it in the evenings only. When you are sleeping, that is when you are going to do it. Then the following day, you just remove it. So please kindly ensure that the one that you put inside your ear, you can easily remove it. So this one, we are not going to put it inside the inner part of the ear, just the outer part, and then it is going to work in the inner part of the ears. And then the following morning, you just have to remove it, and then your ears will be free for you to start hearing properly again. And then also, if you have burns, from fire, if you are working with fire and then you have some burns, what you are going to do is that you are just going to blend onion and then you apply it on it, or you can grind the onion and then you apply it on it, or you just have to cut the onion into two and then you apply the flesh part of the onion on it. You are going to do it twice daily for some time and then that wound is going to heal very, very, very fast. And then also, if you are being stung by bees, so if you have bee sting or any insect bites you and then there is a pain there, you want that pain to go. So if bees are such that you just meet them somewhere and then they were able to sting you very, very, very well, and then you have a lot of bee stings on you, what you are going to do is that you just have to blend the onion and then you apply it all over your body, and then those pains and those things that you are feeling on your body, all those things are going to leave you. And then also, if you have high body temperature, if you're such that your child is experiencing high body temperature, what you are going to do is that you grind or you blend onion and then you apply it all over the body of the child or you the adult. Or if you like to, you can put it inside your socks and then you wear the socks for some time. You see that the body temperature will become very normal. And then also, if you're having problem with your bones or your joints, just have to grind or blend some onion, you put it at the painful place or the painful joint and then you use a band-aid to tie it, and then for some time you just remove it and then those pains will just leave that particular joint. And then also, if you want to prevent diabetes, for this one you can be using a lot of onions to cook. So if you also want to have a lot of if you also want to lower your blood pressure, that one too, you should be using a lot of onions to cook. If you are also such that you have digestion problems, kindly ensure that you'll be using a lot of onions to cook. And then also, if you want to prevent cancer, you should be using a lot of onions to cook. And then also, if you want to boost your immune system, for this one, you are going to cut onion into pieces. You just have to soak it in water for some time and then you drink. So for this one, if you have a stubborn cough that is not going, you can just cut some onions and put it inside water. You cover it for some few minutes and then you drink. You see that when you continuously do this for about 3 days, that stubborn cough will just leave you. And then also, if you are such that you want a healthy heart, all the time use onions to cook. For this one too, if you like, whenever you want to eat, you can cut a lot of fresh onions and then you put it on the food before you eat. Or if you like to, you can just grind or blend the onions and then you'll be adding it to any soup or stew that you have already prepared before you eat, and then it is going to help you a lot. And then also, if you are such that you want your skin to look very 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 nice, what you are going to do is that you can just grind some onion and then you apply on your body for about 10 to 15 minutes, then you go and bath. If you continuously do this for some time, your skin will be very healthy and it will be very nice. And then also, if you want to relieve stress, if you are such that you are stressed from work, if you are very very stressed from work, you just have to cut some onions and then add warm water to it. You let it to steep for some time and then you drink, and then that stress is going to leave you. And then also, if you are a man and then you want to perform very well in bed all the time when you are going to eat, kindly ensure that you cut onions and then you add it to the food before you eat. And then if you chew that raw onion regularly, it will help your blood to flow very well. And then you are going to see that the man who researched that it needs blood flow before it works very well. So if you are taking things that will help your blood to flow very 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 well, it is going to help you to perform very well in bed. You have very strong erection and then you perform very well in bed. So please kindly ensure that you always grind onion and then add it to your soup, or you cut into pieces and add to your food before you eat, and then it is going to help you to perform very well in bed. And then also, if you're having urinary tract infection, UTI, you are supposed to boil some onion in water for some time and then you drink. So if you drink it for some time, it is going to cleanse your body of all those stuff, and then that stubborn urinary tract infection is going to leave you. And then also, if you are such that you want to detoxify your body, if you want your body, you want all toxins to leave your body, what you are going to do is that this one you get one big onion, you cut into two parts and then you put one half under each feet and then you wear socks on it to sleep, and then it is going to detoxify your body. Then if you also want to look forever young, anti-aging, the onion is going to help you. So for this one, you just have to cut it. So if you have wrinkles and those stuff on your face and then you want your face to look nice, you can cut onion into two parts and then use the flesh part to scrub your face or to massage your face for some time. We are going to leave the onion juice on your face for about 30 minutes before you go and bath. You do this for some time and then your face will start glowing. So if you also want your skin to glow, you can apply it on the whole of the body. And then also, if you are such that you are always losing your hair, you are a woman and all the time you are experiencing hair loss, you are going to grind or blend some of the onions and then you apply the juice around the scalp, and then it is going to help you. So if you do this for some time, then about 30 minutes time you wash the onion juice off. So you can do this thrice a week and then it is going to help you to prevent that hair loss that you always experience. And then also, even the onion peels too, you can use it for so many things. If you are such that you always have bad dreams or you are having a lot of spiritual problems in your house, you can just have to burn the onion peels with precursor or iodine fruits in your house from time to time, and all those satanic spirits will just leave your house alone for you. And then also, if you are such that you are experiencing negative energy in your room, that one you can also cut the onions and then you put it inside water. You just have to put the water in your room and then all those negative energies will be attracted to it. So that is why we always say that when you use onion to cook, make sure that you use all. Don't cut some and then leave it, else it will be attracting the negative energy to it. So the next time that you use it to cook, it is going to give you problems. So please kindly ensure that if you are using onion, use all. Don't even keep some in the fridge because it will be attracting negative energy. So if you also want to attract negative energies from your house, just ensure that you do what I've said. You just have to cut onions and put it inside water. You put it in your room, or if you even if you don't want to add it to water, you can just have to put it at the corners of your room, and it will attract all the negative energies. And then the following day, you just have to pick them and then you dispose it off. And then also the onion pills. If you also have hypertension, you can just boil it and then you drink. You boil for about 10 to 15 minutes and then you get a tea. So that tea, you drink it twice daily. And then for about 2 weeks, you see that your high blood pressure will become normal. There are a lot of things we can say about the onion. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel and then keep following us. Even if you want to separate your husband from the side chick and stuff, you can use the onions. For that one, I've already made a video on it. You can check the description of this video to click on that link to watch those videos too. So thank you very much for watching. There are a lot of things we shall talk about, so please kindly subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.